question for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Who was the first board-certified plastic surgeon in Savannah?
Okay, I have a question for you. Who was the first to perform liposuction in Georgia?
I think it was the same person.
Oh, it could be. And then there's a whole lot more first in between then and now. The first to offer the NeoGraft hair transplant system in Georgia. Joining us, plastic surgeon Dr. Ronald Finger. Good morning.
Good morning, Jody.
Welcome.
Happy to be here.
First. How long have you been practicing in Savannah?
120 years.
And you look so great because you must be at least 150 then.
Well, I started in 1973.
Okay, 1973.
Started with the first outpatient surgery facility in Georgia, as a matter of fact.
And it is something that just constantly evolves, isn't it? I mean, what are some of the newest things going on?
Well, the trend across the country is toward non-surgical procedures that make you look younger. And my practice reflects that as well.
I'm guessing that's for several reasons, for money-wise, and also the convenience of not having to go into surgery and the recovery and all of that. So,
all of that. Surgery is still great, but some people don't have time. They don't want to spend the money, and they just want to go in and get something done and leave.
I want to come in and have something done. Okay,
and leave.
So what is the best thing you can do to make yourself look younger?
Well, there's several. There's several innovations.
Okay.
One would be the new laser therapy, and the most innovative is the Fraxel. I'm sure you've heard of the Fraxel. The Fraxel is a laser that has minimal recovery, but yet it still minimizes or reduces or sometimes eliminates age spots, pigmentation abnormalities, gives you smoother skin, reduces wrinkles. And guess what? It tightens the skin. And there are many different Fraxels. We have most all of them. But the stronger, the most powerful of them will reduce the skin by 20%.
And just changing that surface of the skin does a lot for a more youthful look.
Right. Definitely. It shrinks the skin, so to speak. And then another innovation is the concept that faces deflate as you get older.
Yeah.
You get
I've got a deflated face, kind of.
You see somebody at 25 and you go, gosh, you lost your baby fat. Well, bad news is you keep losing it. And so we have inflators, so to speak, products that we can inject to reinflate, get rid of these hollows and these lines and under the eyes and so forth. And one that I particularly like is called Sculptra. The thing I like about it is it lasts for 2 years, and it actually stimulates you to produce collagen.
Oh.
So it's your own collagen that's revolumizing your face. And so now we have the Fraxel, which so-called shrinks the skin and resurfaces it. Then you have the Sculptra and other products which reinflate. Add the two together, you have a mini facelift without surgery.
How long does that last?
Well, the Sculptra lasts a couple of years,
okay.
So you have to do it about every, year and a half to 2 years.
Is it a one-time treatment, though, to get it where you
every
want
time you do it, it improves you.
Okay.
It inflates, and it doesn't do it immediately because you've got to produce collagen.
I see. Okay.
And the other concept that is, hair transplantation is not a concept. It's been around a long time, but the NeoGraft does it differently. Instead of taking a big piece of scalp out of the back of your head, which leaves a scar, and giving you the pluggy look, you remember those?
Right, yeah.
This takes 1, 2, and 3 hairs at a time through this. It's the size of the point of your pencil. And it's automated. It's a machine that's automated, and then it can put it anywhere.
Wow.
It's undetectable. I mean, it's very short recovery, a couple of days. And it looks entirely natural.
And is that all done at one time? Is there more than one treatment with that?
It's one time.
One time.
One time. Now, if you keep losing hair,
right.
Have to come back.
Yeah.
And
back on Monday, I might look like fat.
Yeah. And I'd like to say I'm ex-military. I was in the U.S. Air Force during the Vietnam War, and we have a special military VIP program, which we want to tell everyone about. The soldiers and their families.
That's great for this area with our big military community. So military programs available at your practice. Also, Why Grow Old? The Anti-Aging. You wrote a book
I did.
And you put a lot of good advice in here. This book is available at your practice, and that's Finger
Amazon.
and Associates Plastic Surgery Center, and it's also at Amazon as well.
That's correct.
Dr. Finger, it is so nice to see you, but don't go away, because when we come back, we have some great information for you about some free skin cancer screenings. Stay with us.